Hello, today we are going to be spelling the E sound, and you'd think that the E sound would be spelled like this. And in some cases it is spelled like that. For example, the word meat. But it can be spelt many other ways as well. For example, a word that rhymes with meat is seat, but this is how we spell seat. So that's two ways we can spell the E sound, with two E's, with E and an A. Another way we can spell the E sound is this way, with the letters I and E, as in the word chief. And there's the E sound. Another word with the E sound is funny. Fun-E. And the E sound at the end of funny is actually the letter Y. Doesn't make it easy, does it? Oh, there's another one. Easy. It's got EA at the front, just like seat, and it's got the Y at the end, just like funny. Another way of spelling the E sound is just with one E, as in she, or he. Another way you can spell the E sound is this way, with an I and an A, as in the word variation. So it's variation. Variation with the E sound in the middle. There we go. That's good. Another way we can spell the E sound is with EI, as in the word receive. So EI can be the E sound, and so can IE, makes it very difficult. Another way we can spell the E sound is with an E. This way can be called a magic E. That word is ev, and if we add an E on it, change the sound at the start, E. And the last way we can spell it is EY, as in key. So what you need to do is print off the PDF, and every time you write down the word that's on the PDF, you're going to write it down 4 times. Say the E sound and count how many ways you can spell it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different ways to spell one sound. If you get those 9 different ways in your head, and then you practice as many words as you can, you're going to be well on your way to spelling a lot of words in the English language.